Welcome to another episode of Sweet Spots. Today, we're checking into one of our favorite MGM properties here in Las Vegas, the Vdara. We begin today's tour taking one of my favorite routes, using the interior pedestrian walkway that now connects the Cosmopolitan directly to Vdara. This is one of the best improvements MGM has made since acquiring the Cosmopolitan. Over the last few years, they've done a fantastic job connecting many of their resorts with enclosed walkways, making it much easier to move around the Strip without battling the summer heat, wind, or crowds. It's a small change that made a huge difference, especially if you're staying at multiple MGM properties or just exploring. As we make our way over, here's just a little history on the hotel. Vdara opened on December 1st, 2009, as part of a massive city center development and quickly stood out because it broke almost every Las Vegas rule. There isn't a casino here, it's completely smoke-free, and instead of traditional hotel rooms, all 1,495 accommodations are suites. The 57-story tower was designed with a distinctive curved shape, which not only gives it a unique look on the skyline, but also helps maximize the incredible views from the rooms. The hotel also earned LEED Gold certification for its environmentally friendly design, making it one of the Strip's more sustainable luxury resorts. One of the biggest reasons people choose Vdara is the atmosphere. You get all the benefits of being right in the heart of the Strip, just steps from the Bellagio, ARIA, and the Cosmopolitan. But when you come back to your room, it's quiet. No casino noise, no cigarette smoke, just a much more relaxed experience. Alright, we've made it over to Vdara. Let's head inside and see if this all-suite hotel still deserves its reputation as one of Las Vegas's hidden gems. Now that we've made it outside, this is the main entrance to Vdara, where you'll find the Valet and drop-off area. One thing to know before you book your stay is that Vdara only offers valet parking directly at the hotel. If you're planning to self-park, you'll need to use the ARIA parking garage located just across the way. While it's nice to have a self-parking option nearby, keep in mind it can be a bit of a walk, especially if you're arriving with multiple bags or luggage. From here, we'll head inside and make our way up to level 3, where we'll take a look at the Vdara pool area. The pool is a great feature of this resort because it gives guests a place to relax and escape the energy of the Strip, while still being right in the middle of everything. Let's head upstairs and see what the pool deck has to offer. We've made it up to the pool deck, and this might be one of the biggest surprises about Vdara. The atmosphere up here is completely different from what you'll find at many of the other pools on the Las Vegas Strip. It's quiet, peaceful, and really gives you a chance to slow down and relax while still being surrounded by some incredible scenery. From the pool deck, you'll get some fantastic views of City Center, including ARIA, as well as the unique architecture of the Vdara itself. The curved design of the building really stands out when you're able to see it from this angle. There are plenty of lounge chairs spread throughout the pool area, giving guests lots of space to find a comfortable spot and enjoy the day. The pool itself is heated, the water is calm, and the entire area has a much more relaxed vibe compared to some of the bigger, more energetic pool scenes around Las Vegas. If you're looking to spend the day here, Vdara has everything you need. There's a poolside location where you can grab food and drinks, private cabanas are available to rent, and the pool hosts do an excellent job taking care of guests, making sure everyone has what they need while they relax. For travelers looking for a more peaceful pool experience in the heart of the Strip, it's definitely one of Vdara's strongest features. After spending some time at the pool, we're heading back inside and making our way down to level 2 to take a quick look at the Vdara Spa and Fitness Center. This is going to be a short stop because we're really just getting a look at the main entrance area, but it gives you an idea of where these amenities are located and what guests can expect. The spa and fitness area fit right in with the overall feel of Vdara. Everything here is designed around relaxation, wellness, and creating a quieter experience compared to the traditional Las Vegas resort atmosphere. For guests who want to keep up with their workout while traveling or spend some time unwinding during their stay, having these amenities conveniently located inside the property is a great addition. And now that we've seen the pool and spa areas, we're heading upstairs and taking a look at the room we'll be calling home during our stay here at Vdara. Now it's time to take a look at the suite here at Vdara. We're starting in the kitchen area, which is one of the features that really sets Vdara apart from many other hotels on the Las Vegas Strip. Having a full kitchen setup inside your suite is incredibly convenient, especially for longer stays or anyone who likes having the option to prepare a quick meal, store leftovers, or just have some extra space beyond a traditional hotel room. The suite comes equipped with several small appliances, giving you a lot of the comforts of home while you're traveling. There's also a pre-stocked mini fridge with items available for purchase, but Vdara also provides a separate area where you can store your own drinks, snacks, or personal items, which is a nice touch. From the kitchen, we move into the living area and bedroom space. These areas share one large open layout, but the size of the suite makes it feel spacious and comfortable. The living area gives you plenty of room to relax, and the bedroom features a king-size bed with an incredible view looking out toward ARIA. One of the biggest advantages of staying at Vdara is the amount of space you get. Compared to a standard hotel room, having a separate living area and kitchen creates a much more residential feel and makes the suite feel like a true home base while exploring Las Vegas. As we make our way into the bathroom, you'll notice it features a sliding door for added privacy, a large soaking tub, and a generous vanity area with plenty of counter space. There is a single sink, but the size of the vanity helps make up for that. The one area that feels a little limited is the shower. While functional, it's smaller than what you might expect in a luxury suite like this, and is probably one of the few areas where the bathroom could use a little more space. Overall, this space felt very well done and matched the vibe of the rest of the suite. To wrap up this room tour, we're taking one more look outside at night. The view of ARIA all lit up from the window really shows how special the location of Vdara really is. You're close to everything happening on the Strip, but you still get that quiet retreat feeling when you come back to your room. That's going to wrap up our tour of Vdara Hotel and Spa here in Las Vegas. If you're looking for a quieter, smoke-free resort that still puts you right in the heart of the Strip, Vdara is definitely worth considering. Between the spacious all-suite accommodations, the relaxing pool, the full kitchen, and the easy indoor access to ARIA, Bellagio, and the Cosmopolitan, it offers a unique experience that's hard to find anywhere else in Las Vegas. If you enjoyed this video, we'd really appreciate it if you'd give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone planning a Las Vegas vacation. Be sure to check out the rest of our videos here on Sweet Spots, where we feature hotel tours, travel tips, and destination guides from across the country. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.